this point in the presentation, we will now walk you through exactly how to register for an apartment utilizing the Student Housing Gateway. When you log into the Student Housing Gateway, you will first see the following login screen, which requires you to provide your LancerNet ID and password. The LancerNet ID is the same ID you should use for Canvas or an on-campus computer. It is not the same as your email. The same can be said for the password. Once you are inside the gateway, you will see a list of options. At this screen, you can check your completed credits to see the day you register for an apartment and a variety of other options. In order to register for your apartment, you will click Apartment Registration, located in the top right of the menu. The 2018-2019 roommate group form is also located within the Student Housing Gateway. On this screen, you will be able to invite members to your roommate groups so that you can fill an apartment to full occupancy, or have a preferred roommate for partial occupancy registration. If you are the member creating the group, you will click the green Create Group button located at the bottom of the screen. After you have done so, you will have the opportunity to invite the members to your group. You will need to search group members by their RMS ID number. The RMS ID number is available on the front page of the Student Housing Gateway in large bold letters at the top of the screen. You will not be able to search by name or Longwood ID number. You will require the RMS ID number to invite members to your group. You will search each member you desire to have in your group and invite them to the roommate group, at which point the roommate group members will also need to log into the gateway and accept their invitations. It is imperative that you select Finish at the end of any template within the Student Housing Gateway. If you do not receive the following screen indicating your submission has been received, it is not likely you've properly completed the form or the Finish button was not selected. Please confirm you see this screen before you assume the process is complete. Once you have formed your roommate group, you proceed to the apartment registration screen. If you are returning to an apartment you are currently living in, you will see the apartment squatting options listed below. On this screen, you can see a synopsis of the terms you're registering for housing, which will always be the fall and spring terms, and you will see the roommates that you have added to your roommate group. Please understand that this screen will not allow you to edit roommate groups. It is instead designed for you to see exactly how you are registering your roommates. On the next screen, you will see a list of available apartments for housing registration. If you're participating in the squatting process, you will only see your apartment available for selection. If you see no apartments available for selection, it is very likely your roommate group is not properly set up. Select your apartment from the list and proceed to the next step. On the next screen, you will assign your selected roommates to the assigned bed spaces, A, B, C, and D bedroom. It is helpful to have this information before you begin the registration process. In some of the apartments, the A and B and the C and D bedroom share bathrooms respectively. Once you have assigned all members of your group to rooms, you may proceed to the next step. All rooms must be assigned. The following screen, you will sign up the occupants of the apartment for their desired meal plan. While students will have the opportunity to change it later, their initial meal plan registration will be completed on this screen. You must assign a meal plan to all members of your apartment. Once you have successfully squatted into your original apartment, congratulations. If you see this screen, you've completed your apartment registration. If you do not see this screen, it is not likely the registration process has been completed. If you're having technical difficulties, please contact us by emailing housing@longwood.edu or calling 434-395-2080.